Hey there, this is Jason Speckert, Big Noggin Marketing, and as the headline above says, 27 live exclusive phone calls just last week for an appliance repair client of ours. This is something that runs pretty much on autopilot at this point, and the phone just rings and rings and rings, and as long as we hold up our end of the bargain, it should never really stop. So here's some proof for you to kind of show you. This is our back end of our phone system here. It's appliance repairs. You can see appliance repair leads. The dates are between 7/23 and 7/27, which was Monday through Friday last week. And as you can see, there's 27 live exclusive phone calls that are generated. And here are the recordings over here. And then this is the length, the time. Now, some of these get missed, and some of these are telemarketers, but I would say roughly 70 to 75% of the calls that come through here are legitimately people that need appliance repair. And this guy's great on the phone. He closes a ton of them, and this has really been a nice needle mover for his business. So just going to kind of show you the proof now here. But here is all the phone calls that came in over that 5-day period, and then there's 2 more on this page as well. So I'll show you that. But this is something we can do for pretty much any business as long as you go out to the home to service the client. So if you have a lawn care business, a landscaping business, you're a painter, you do snow removal, you're a roofer, whatever it may be. If you go out to that house, I can implement the system and get these kind of results for you as well. Some niches is going to have just more calls than others. Obviously, appliance repair and home remodeling are going to have a different volume of calls. So with that said, go ahead and click the Learn More button below. It's going to take you to a very short form just to collect a little bit of information so I can get back to you and let you know what we can do for you. And on top of that, I'll even send you a custom video that you can take a look at as well. So with that said, go ahead and click the Learn More button, fill that form out, and I will be personally back in touch with you within 24 hours of that being filled out. Unless it comes in on a Friday, then you'll get a call from me on Monday. Talk to you soon. Jason Speckert, Big Noggin Marketing. Have a nice day, and talk with you soon.